All right, guys, moment of truth. Finally driving a Type R. It's been a while. I've only driven 2 before, and I haven't really got a good time with it. I haven't got a lot of hours with it. So we're here today. If you guys are interested in renting this car, I'll drop a link down below and you could check him out so you can take this thing out for a ride. But today, here we are with our 2021 Civic Type R, all stock tune, and your boy's gonna be driving it today. So it's gonna be nothing too crazy. Short little video. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure you're liking this video. Let's take a look at the interior. We're in the cockpit, guys. Let me just adjust my seat. Dude, she feels really smooth. Just kind of getting the feel for it. I haven't driven one of these in a while. Good.
Does feel better in the passenger seat.
Woof. I love the little distinct turbo noises. Of course, we ripping the Type R in some camo Crocs. You already know Crocs with socks.
All right, Dad.
2 things I love about this car are the brakes, which are the Brembo brakes, and I love the soft clutch. A lot of you Honda guys complain that the stock OEM clutches on Hondas are really soft. I prefer that. I love the K20 Turbo. I think it's a K20 C4 or a C2. So got to give Bill a shout out for this one. Really cool. Turboed or no?
Nah, bro.
No? So before I was driving, you have your comfort mode right here. Your sport, comfort, and R mode. I was literally in sport mode thinking it was fast. Then I switched to the R mode and it was just a whole new machine, man.
Bro, he's gotta be.
And make sure you guys are liking this video.
Bro, it's a chick.
It's a chick, dude. Oh my God, look at the bumps, bro. Holy shit. I'll let you go, bro. I wish this was my car because I totally would have raced that too. He did? I didn't even see that, bro.
Again, now.
For real?
Sucking it.
Yo, he was just...
It's a nice road.
Holy vtec and turbo. The question is though, like, would you drop 45 grand on one of these?
Nope.
No. I will say they engineered it perfectly though. Like even though I feel like we could turbo our 8th gens, I don't feel like it would be as smooth.
I mean, if you got the money to throw around, it's a hell of a car. Yeah, sure, 40 grand. My knees are shaking.
Be sure to drop all your love down below. Drop your comments down below and subscribe. Hopefully you'll get the chance to drive this thing more. If I had my K24 in front of me in this Type R, I would pick this car,
Yeah,
guys.
Dude, me too. I would take this car all day. Said earlier, no. I'm talking about the money. 40 G's is a lot of money.
But you're not gonna match what this
You're
has.
not gonna get this driving experience.
Yeah,
This thing is a different beast.